Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody guys. Today we'll take a look at the Great British Pound, because on euro currency you can see market stands mostly flat. We are waiting when the market will hit our predefined targets. Just a few pips stands till them, and as you can see today, tomorrow market just gradually moving down. This is on the euro. On the Great British Pound, situation a bit different, and if you remember previous week, first we have traded to the upside the coming Bank of England meeting decision, so that was good trade because bank indeed hasn't changed the rate. And then we said that we could consider it possible early breakout of this consolidation, because here we have the intraday confidence resistance area, and that was previous lows, as you can see in this area, so it was chance that market could turn down, and indeed initially it shows some bounce down, but the market currently is very politicized because it's budget discussion, wide budget discussion in the United Kingdom. It's a lot of questions around it and new steps of the new government taken in the direction of the Brexit and so on. And that's why the Great British Pound has its own driving factor, which actually finally leads to some upward action here. So market has returned back up to previous level, previous resistance. Currently, we would like to show you the intraday steps that we have, and it could be useful as for bears as for bulls. So I'll take a look on the 4-hour time frame chart. This is yellow line is actually natural support resistance area, because here, as I said, it's previous low stand. But also, guys, this is former confidence resistance level that we initially used for taking the short position. So you can see market has reached it, shows the minor pullback here down from this confidence, but then its resistance has been broken. Overall upward action here is really strong, and it almost totally erased the previous downward action. It makes us think that here we could get some continuation based on the support of this line, because take a look here, you could recognize the classical shape of the hand and shoulders pattern. That's what we intend to keep an eye on. So for bulls, as market is coming to the bottom of the right arm, this could be a moment to consider for taking the long position. If you have the bearish view, you need to get confirmation that this head and shoulders is failing. For example, if market will drop below these areas, showing downward acceleration right back down to these lows, it will probably suggest that these lows will be taken out, and that will be a sign of the weakness of the market. Meantime, as market is still coming to the support, we consider this setup on the hourly chart. You can see market is forming an accurate A, B, C, D pattern. OP stands 29.85, and it creates the agreement with the confidence support here is 29.90, 29.93. So this is good support area where we could consider possible taking the long position, because this, you can see, also regardless triple 2 pi pattern. This could be some bounce up. So once the bounce will happen, you could move stops to the break-even and see what will happen on the market. If somehow market will drop even a bit more, so the next area to consider 29.47 with the XOP. This will be a bit deeper, but still it will be 618 support, and it in general corresponds to these lows. That's actually was the bottom of the left arm. So maybe indeed market could show downward action right here. But this area is also very strong, and probably some pullback here we will get. That will let us to move stops to the break-even. With the upward continuation target, well, we will take a look at the classical hand shoulders targets. A, B, C point, where it will be either here or here, A, B, C pattern. So that's approximately the thing that we could consider on Great British Pound. Also, guys, I hope you have the pleasure to read Roger's signals, because tonight he has placed a very good signal on the Ethereum, as well as great trade. And well, I think that you have the pleasure with the reading analysis and getting the signals. So just enjoy this is a really good product on our side, and Roger is kind to provide support and content for his tools. So we in turn will take a look at the cable today and see what will happen here in the market.